How's it going? It's George from the Heat 180 community. Welcome back, and I am still here. I'm not going anywhere until basically I find a great replacement for myself. I will continue helping to grow this community. And today we're going to be reviewing the ISMOD. I think a great backup device. So check it out. Let's basically get into that review now. So let's talk about the specs of the ISMOD. Basically, the highlight of the device or its major powers is its weight. It comes in at a whopping 51 grams only. It's a very, very light device. Actually, one of the lightest devices we have reviewed here at Heat 180. But where it basically lacks in weight, it basically does not basically fall short on its power. It does give you 20 consistent uses, and its cycle time is still 5 minutes. Now the catch is you're basically limited to the 15 puffs, just like within the Icosphere. They limit you with a certain amount of puffs. Charging time takes an hour and a half, and basically it's going to set you back at 49 USD. So the device does come with a Type-C USB charger. What is kind of unique is they put the charging plug right on top. Most manufacturers put it on the bottom. I actually don't mind it, and if anything, because of the difference, I actually like it. It does have a dust cover, something I really feel strongly about. I like dust covers, and it basically has a pin-like element, heating element. It does not have the flat blade. The ISMOD also comes with temperature adjust. You're going to be able to set your temperature to a low, medium, or high. It also has a battery indicator, so you basically know how much power you still have in your device. And lastly, the device comes with a 12-month warranty. Basically, the manufacturer stated that they will replace or fix any device within a 12-month warranty period. By the way, I just want to quickly plug that on Heat 180's website right now, we started a community forum. So if you have a lot of knowledge about the industry or you have specific questions that you would basically like to research and have a one-to-one communication with us in the community and other community members, check out our forum. We're basically building it up and trying to get the community to chime in and dump their knowledge base here. We really appreciate your involvement. So lastly, the manufacturer was nice enough to give a 10% discount to anybody purchasing the device before November 30th. The link below in the description. Please go right ahead. They were nice enough to give it to our Heat 180 community members. And by the way, if you're watching this video after November 30th, 2020, don't worry about it. Try. Maybe the manufacturer was nice enough to extend that discount, so see if it still works and let us know if it does, and maybe we'll just put a brief blurb on the bottom that the code still works. So in closing, I think it's a great backup device, one of the nicest I've seen, or it's a great primary device if you're just not consuming a lot of heat sticks and you don't mind that 15 puff limitation. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Until that point, it's George signing off from the Heat 180 community. We'll see everybody next time.